Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I try to give you information that you need. You want to use me, you can. Many people have unreasonable installment agreements from IRS. So how do you fix that? Well, as a former agent, I used to set up payment agreements, installment agreements, and some of them, they weren't really reasonable because people went ahead, they switched jobs, they couldn't afford to pay much, but that's just the way it was at that time. So what do if you have an unreasonable installment agreement? Well, you simply just call IRS. Don't be burdened with something that you can't pay. So you call the 1-800 number and I hope you can get through within the next 3 days. But when you do, make sure you understand the IRS national standard process for income and expenses. IRS is going to use that. So when you just go ahead and Google IRS national standards, you will find out the expenses that IRS will go ahead and use on all cases. So I just want you to know that when you do this, before you pick up that phone, find out what IRS is going to allow you for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car expense, car payments. It'll be on the IRS national standards. Pull them up before you call them. Let them know you don't want to have an agreement a lot more than you think that you can pay. IRS must use these national standards. They were set up by IRS in conjunction with the Department of Labor. They're for every region and state and county in the United States. So just, I'm telling you carefully, go into this and make sure all your tax returns, if they're not, all your tax returns are filed. If you're not current, they're going to hold that against you, literally. My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I just don't want you to get in a bigger jam than you're in. I've worked thousands of cases. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. I try to tell you what's really cool and stuff that you need to know. Thank you and blessings.